I'm gonna eat spicy ramen.
And we got milk over here. And if you want cold ice over there, water. If you want.
Hirap siya. Hindi, tsaka hindi lang sa lecture. Hirap siya talaga magsalita din noong ano siya, nang papasok siya ng kinder.
Bro, it's
Get-
not even spicy.
No, she's fine. Nothing.
Get more.
No, this is a lot.
Are you speaking to language? Yes, ma'am. There's someone too. That's why she has a delayed speaking. Because she's hearing two different,
To make it even spicier, we're gonna put. Thomas, you wanna put something in?
No.
Make it
Yeah,
Never
kinda
mind.
tingle.
Meron siyang sinasabi
Never mind, I forgot.
na hindi English, hindi Tagalog, hindi Spanish. Sabi ng doktor niya
pinagsama-sama niya.
Get out. I'll get yours.
Nag-form siya ng
Let me just
sariling
get a lot
language
for
niya.
you.
Dahil
Let me
sa
get a
mga-
lot.
I can get it. I can get it. I can get it. I can get it.
Hindi niyo pwedeng i-introduce tatlo at a time. Kailangan dalawa lang, up to 2 lang muna. So di sabi ko, mas gusto ko mag-learn siya
You can stop recording
ng
now.
Spanish kaysa sa Tagalog.
I said you could.